Ai ingin kang tala mengi kat badanya keren. Kat bagi daya keren ai so ingin kang ketala. Ai kat bagi daya keren ingin kang so ketala. Buat penhek yo.
Ka Khasi Student Union Shillong mi ngi circle mentak singi kala khang tala ya ka mandir balakino abalashna bi hapo ka office CBI ha Shillong. Ka jingjia kalami hadian ba kinong yalam ka KSU kila ya kundu ya UDIG ka CBI Henry ka jingia kren kamshim la poi sha kanu ka rai u assistant organizing secretary ka KSU CEC u samla Jeremiah Potmi ulo ong baka sengala deb ban pinsngo ya ka ni ka kam nadu kisnam balalit no bat ka CBI kala kular ba an amshna shu ya ka mandir Henry ka KSU kala lap ba ka jingte kadang ya chakman bat kala jandep Namar kata keseng kala khang tala ya ka mandir bad aipor shita yo ki bor badai pen ban pin pra ne pindu no ya ka KSU kala mahamru balada amle AA hapo kani ka por kan sa shim ki we pat ki sinjam ba kham ting e
Yes, we want to don't push.
Ai ingin kang tala mengi kat badanya keren. Kat bagi daya keren ai so ingin kang ketala. Ai kat bagi daya keren ingin kang so ketala. Buat penhek yo.
Today you are locking here, tomorrow you will not do anything further. Okay. Yes.
We will not do anything further. We will not without.
We cannot lock it. We will break it again. Then we will break it.
Yes, please. Please. I will not do anything. No, nothing.
Nothing will.
What is this? What is this? Yeah, I am saying nothing will be constructed further. We will not construct anything further. I am saying that.
Hilawan asin tong ngila sutu. Menta bapi persungau kata ngila mun benle pemui pila persung tak. Menta pinang kang talang ni tak. Bapi menta pin justify.
We will not construct anything
justify
further.
kani kamde kata kapag kimut.
We have to.
Kani yang secularism yang pri. Pani dari secularism.
I am saying we will not construct anything further without.
Who are you to give assurance? Who are you?
I am here. I am here.
If your DIG is
I am head of this residential complex.
Do you know who we are?
Residential complex.
Residence complex है
Do you know we are? You better know that first.
रेजिडेंस कंप्लेक्स से तो बना सकते हैं ना इस पर
ये तो बंद क्यों कर रहे हैं? He told you to lock that. How can you lock that?
We told him that to stop.
This is our house,
This is
yeah?
stop. This is stop.
This is our house.
This is our land. This is our land. This is our land. We have spoken so many times about this.
Remove this organization from this state. Yeah.
That is
What is the issue?
Who are you? Who are you to tell that? Who are you to tell that? Who are you to tell that?
ऊंची आवाज नहीं आराम से बोलिए तो ऊंची आवाज नहीं नो बिल्कुल ऊंची आवाज बोलोगे जिनको इन्विटेशन देना पड़ेगा सबको No, you come tomorrow again. You come again.
First you stop. You give us a written you that this will stop, then only we'll open the lock. We need it in written. You first stop this construction and then only. This does not look like a place like a
We came to
You have given your letter, na?
we saw today, but
That is why the
Then wait for our reply.
now I'm saying why look for every reply for them.
Why you lock it? Correct now.
Don't touch her.
Hipay yung hipay. Kata-kata sa ka ay pito sa kulit kata any law na dahil hipay mapiha po. Lada pi ni ang kata sa ka bati ba santa bati ayat ni along ni am sisa kung kata santa. Kaya kapenpal kaniam jong nura jong ni kwa banse kaniam jong ruang ni. Pre tu kapulisya itu jemi tu komander pe. Nimsya da lele. Kina revenue dan gila yang yung
Ni ab yang up non. Ya to dag aspek sedek ngon pino. Alasan
lagi asyik ni wan
ngon seperti dag alasan ini memang ada. Jangan
kani kami ka first time kani ding second time nila 1cc hila assuring piwan nam dana ka shilo mi sakil hila kesu shi hila 1cc ki assure bagin khang beli pede ma hadir pede bagi isna yang pede
Toto, dalam letak saya lagi trending ni dia cuma saya.
sudah ibu dong kang. Oh, sangat tahu.
ada kim khang
Ini minum pilihan.
ada kim khang pede ada kim khang bala ada kim stop kim scrap ya kata ayu bagi senang ting kaseng kan chem daki wei pede ki senja Dari haban wan tempra mengiru tempra tambah daki wei Show ya kali ka office kali
Namun tayo agaba kilapan po ng liyang business.
Oh, ini kata ini sih begini. Sama sempur ni ya.
ai po ri ki kita
Ini mau mentak mentak na. Belajar makin
ban khang ada di sini
Video assistant.
Ka jingwan jong ni nak liang keseng. Ka assistant lian song circle hakani ka office jong ka CBI kalau hakui kemat ba kabarem ba di stroke ya kawai ka yang mana bat nak liang keseng ini kesem adab nyilawan bat nyilayakan bat ni officer badan ni bat kila ai sudan singi ba ken pensengat no ya kijing tei jong tei ka yang mana dia bat mentapat hadian tang tu kan dia pernah ngi ba kila sedang menyetai biang kila stok biang mentari sa kenai pesan sa bandap yang tiga tempel te nak liang kejong ngi lawan kedua yo di IG melaikan bat lighter layakan bat kajingkan bat nong kamlong ba siso mar beli ba mau ngej bat ngej bat kubur ya ke ba kaseng ke bala kaseng ke kala ajimut bat nak liang kaseng menta nilaya lek bat ya khang tala yak tiga yang manin thia bat ni sai pat ba ke ban right ni officer ni mar ki ong yi ba kin ai kata assurance in return ba kin persengat no ya ka construction ke bala ke bagila trai te nak liang kaseng menta ngirang ya persengat swa bat nilai khang tala bat dan ru i bat jelai bat train tai bat mai jakiru ngila ba hisundan mar bakim dan jata ki slag babiang bat nak liang kaseng ni ap ya kata city ke ba kinyu ke ba CBI kan ai ni bat harta hi mencai pat ada laka benjur ya haji wajib seng nak liang ni clean tu lantai bat ada kam kebur ya haji wajib ni bersih dengan ini bat supaya poru ba ni bandang liang seng bat ni sempat aku senjam mar ngil ai por ki setio ba kin scrap no yak tika yang menien thi jika menilai bat ada kan ke department kamlai ai ban sing yang sing ya ban sing bat kajingwan ji kan ban su bagin ekran yin ban bat daga bor bat ban tempra scrap no ya tiga yang menien thi.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our right, our future.